Hey guys, okay, so this is the start of my next college vlog, I guess. I want to do weekly college vlogs because we literally have 2 weeks of school left and I just want to like record stuff. Just got out of the last class of the day, which was accounting, and now I just finished getting ready. An and I are going to a Khalid short film like showing at the movie theater, and then there's also like a screening or like a, I guess it's a listening of his new album, which I'm so fucking excited about. It's like 6 p.m. right now, so we're gonna go to the dining hall and eat food and then head over because the event starts at 7. I'm so excited to vlog again. I did like a pink look today. I used the ColourPop what's it called? It's like something really weird. Give It To Me Straight palette, and I really like it. And then on my lips I have Buxom Covert Affair. Then I also curl my hair. I'm getting it cut tomorrow, so I'm really excited, and I'm also gonna vlog that. I'm chopping it all the way off to my collarbone maybe. So we just got out. What are your thoughts on the show?
I don't know, but there's a Frenchman here. Cool. Don't fucking hate that. I mean, okay. I like Khalid, but come on, man.
It was, okay, so basically it was like a short film for the new album, Free Spirit, and he wanted to like just make like a movie that goes with it, but it was just so... It
was so corny.
It was so like cringy.
I wanted to like it really bad.
I know, I thought it would be good. I don't know.
I think I could have done without watching that.
I think I lost a lot of brain cells watching it. It just wasn't it.
I don't think they wrote a script, honestly. I think
they just showed up and they just smoked and were like, hey, hey. Dude, what the fuck? Who are these people?
Oh wait, no, I didn't.
Can't take him anywhere. Where my soul?
He's gonna call my Uber company.
I'm requesting a refund and filing a civil suit. I got out of our SoulCycle class, got in an Uber, drove around for 20 minutes, and we're on the same block. It's a 6-minute drive. A 6-minute drive.
We're back in front of SoulCycle. Then the driver went on the wrong way onto a one-way, and then we exited the vehicle.
He didn't let us get out.
Yeah,
we asked him.
He was like, "It's okay.
Like, it's fine.
It's okay." And then when we get out, he's like, "I'm sorry."
I breathed on the beat and got sicker.
Oh. Okay, so what I eat a day, microwavable mac and cheese just from the school freezer. And we microwaved it for a total of 8 minutes. And she burned her finger.
Oh my god, no, okay, we need to take this up.
You know it's done when it bubbles. Good morning, guys. So it's currently... Love that for me. We're on our way to Tate, which is the like cafe on campus. It's bougie as fuck. They have delicious caramel oat milk lattes. I had my class at 8 a.m. this morning and I went. I almost didn't go. I realized I didn't go all of last week, so I thought it would be a good idea to go because my professor said he hasn't seen me in a while. Now it's like 10 a.m. We're just gonna go do some work in the cafe. I have no other classes today and I have no plans for tonight, so I don't really know what's going on. I haven't had like a clear schedule in so long. Thank you, sir.
Always have your schedule packed up.
I know, and then my Google Calendar is just empty today, and I'm like, what do I do? Also, the short hair, I don't know how I'm feeling. I feel like
it's so good.
Salma says I look like a divorced mom.
In the best way possible. That means you look older. That's what I'm trying to say.
I feel bald. Anyway, I'm just gonna put it behind me so I can't see it, but yeah.
Denial.
Alright, vlog update. So they got Mexican food from Amelia, so now we're in bed.
Now our stomachs are yelling at us.
Gabby's gone to the south side of the bed to relieve herself.
I can't. Like,
I'm good at holding it.
You're just gonna be in so much pain later.
I know, it's all gonna come out.
I just stepped into my fart because I farted.
And then I went down. We're watching this show called Elite. And
everyone's so guapo. Am I allowed to say that?
I don't think it's guapo.
Period.
On period.
So college.
Still back.
And then it gets really deep.
Just sitting on.
Yeah, what's happening here?
Can you zoom? What if Kara's sitting on his lower back? I would be dead at that point.
That looks
My lower
not
back
comfortable.
could not handle that.
We are in the dining hall getting dinner.
I thought this was rice, but it's farro.
Let me try.
I don't mind it, it's just I wasn't expecting it. But it's yummy. Why does it taste bubbly.
What I eat in a day. We have vegan
How
nuggets.
I stay healthy in college.
Udon. Their udon's like, I can't tell if it's good or not, but like I'm having a moment with it and I love it.
It just tastes like soup. I like everyone in 7th grade. Like,
This is really like a club mix.
it honestly is. Like I feel bummed in the club.
Grace has a stats class husband who brought her
Literally texted me.
Swiss chocolate.
He goes, "We need more people in the world like you." I was like, "You only know me from that class."
So when's the wedding?
He brought this hair tie back from the spa for me. He texted me and he was like, "I got those hair ties you use." I was like, "What the fuck?"
Oh, the like little phone, like telephone wire ones that don't leave like marks in your hair.
Yeah.
Oh, gentlemen.
They're also used as bug repellent. What?
We are on the way to the improv show.
Selma! I swear to God.
Holy shit.
She's smirking right now. Too.
I know.
So smug. Look at her.
I love dying when crossing Huntington. You don't want to die on a Sunday?
No.
What day would you like to die?
Probably tomorrow.
Monday?
Tuesdays are good death days, I think.
Yeah, I can schedule it in. I'll check my planner. Are you happy?
I'll check my Google
Am I
Calendar.
happy? Okay, I stand Google Calendar.
Do you?
I do.
Apple Calendar only, baby. Just kidding. Mine are synced.
No.
That's my husband.
You know, oh. Fuck. Dive in.
Hello.
We're talking about like our last classes for first semester and now I'm panicking. We have our finals in 2 weeks. Actually, wait, I'm gonna get copyright popped.
Oh yeah,
Okay, you guys have met Kevin.
kind of. My voice has been in the vlogs. But
Yeah, I
my
think he was in
face-
the very first clip
Yeah.
of the other vlog that I uploaded, and he says, "Are you a vlogger?" And I said, "No," but I
She
wanted to
lied
start.
to me.
I wanted to just like start. I'm not a vlogger, like I never vlog, but I want to start because we're leaving so soon, and I'm never gonna see him again.
That's true.
Yeah, right now we're just doing homework, and we got back from the improv show. It was so funny. Have you gone before?
Oh, which one did you go to?
It was like new and it was Northeastern's
Is it No
with
Jokes?
Suffix. No, it was
Or is it
in
Toby?
yeah, it was Toby's. It was in the auditorium.
Yeah,
It was so good.
But no, I kind of like want to join improv. I feel like
You should do
I
it.
feel like I'd be good at it.
It's insane how fast they think. Like I literally don't understand how they come up with content like so fast. And like it's so fluid and like
Yeah,
there's
no.
it's so like random too.
And it's like also like you just don't expect them to like do the things that they do. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know how to describe it, but like
It was
the one I
crazy.
went to, like they had a bucket of water and like there was like 3 people and like they would stick their head in the water and then when like one person like couldn't breathe they would swap.
What
Like,
the
that's,
fuck?
That's how they rotated their
Really?
improv. Like
Ours, the one tonight was just like when they realized it's like ending like the bit, they would just clap and then move on. Salma said that all the people on like SNL studied like did improv in
Yeah.
college, which is cool. I feel like a divorcee with my hair. That's
I
what
don't
Salma
think so.
says. I look like a soccer mom.
no you don't. Not really, like you're too hip to be a soccer mom. Sorry. Maybe like a lacrosse mom, but like
A lacrosse mom? Oh shit. What are you here to do?
We could do that.
All right, Toby and I
away.
have Toby. What are we doing? Ruining the penny, right?
Solve the flip.
Oh, yes. No, I mean, I don't like this at all.
Jeff Bezos could solve.
Let's get a pan of the room.
I already did it.
And I am angry.
You did?
Wow, I look assed out right now.
Yo, Joyce, you ever like vlog like this? You should do a full vlog. You should do a full.
She literally said
I did this angle.
Yeah.
It was good angle.
Wait, are you doing a vlog or some shit?
I don't know what.
Yeah.
I'm like nervous. Supposed to.
Are you nervous? Yesterday when Kevin was here, I pulled this out, started vlogging. He was just like,
Kevin having a heart
instantly
attack.
shut up.
Kevin shutting up.
Imagine.
Wait,
You wanna say something to Kevin? We are at we're at demo day, which is like a lot of 3-minute pitches for startups, and then the winner gets like $3,000, I think. Want to say hi to my vlog?
Hey vlog.
This suit, oh my god. HSC Husky Startup Challenge, baby.
What are you doing here?
I'm just watching. There's a girl who's pitching sliced butter, and I really want to see how it
Sliced
goes.
butter?
Sliced butter.
Is that a thing?
Yeah.
Wait.
So I just want to
Is it
see.
sliced the long way or something?
I don't know. I really don't know. Oh my god, the sticker. I know, it's actually so low. No, someone thought I was Republican. So I have gathered a team of 6 people to all do the entire semester's worth of calc homework
You're in calc
in one
now?
go. I'm in business calc. Baby.
Oh wait, Lily's in that. That class is so
You wanna come?
hard. Are you worried about this final, Joyce?
Yeah, it's 40%. It's kind of a lot. How do we feel about that? What'd you say?
And it's cumulative.
Oh, yeah. I heard ham. Look who it is.
Oh look, she's vlogging.
Okay, we're about to do an entire semester with the calc homework.
Oh my god. What are you doing?
We're doing all of the calc homework. Can we do it here? Okay, Kevin, what website did you just buy a ton of shit from? Because all of your clothes have really weird sayings on them.
I'll have you know I'm coming soon. Follow me. At 4 seconds. I forgot what it is. I don't need followers.
Hi guys. Okay, so what is today? Today's Wednesday. Okay, I haven't washed my hair in 3 days. I don't think I ever also like discussed my haircut, but basically I just wanted to cut it off because it was so dead at the ends and now I hate it. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready for class. So this morning I had my 8 a.m. and then I just went to Tate with Salma and Mina and I wrote a paper and wrote 2,000 words, and then now I have to go to English class or first year writing, and then we're actually doing like a group project. I have group projects in all 4 of my classes this semester. Like, what the fuck? Literally we have a group project for accounting, which is just whack. But anyways, I have that, then I have accounting, and then at 6 I'm gonna grab dinner with some friends and then we're going to Wise, which is the club that I am a part of. But today is the last like event for it. It's called Communicating with Confidence. I don't know if it's like a workshop. I look like a mom, literally, this hair. But yeah, it's a workshop and I'm really excited for it. And then I think that's all we're gonna do for today and just like hang out afterwards. But yeah, I just wanted to vlog more. Yesterday Aunt told me to just like carry my camera around with me everywhere, so I think that's what I'm gonna do for the next week, because a week from today is our last day of class and I just like don't know what happened to this entire year. So I'm just gonna vlog obnoxiously everywhere now and not give a dick. Also tomorrow me and Salma are gonna be filming the Northeastern video, which I think it should be up. Sorry I keep messing with my hair, it's just really fucking annoying and I don't know how to like style it. Anyway, tomorrow me and Salma are filming the Northeastern video, so we're gonna be answering all of your guys' questions regarding like dorms and majors and just like what it's like being on campus and if we like it and just like all of our thoughts about it. I think we're also gonna make it a mukbang and like go and get sweet green before and then eat our salad. I'll link it up here if I upload that video before this vlog. I'm gonna go to my class now. My English class is first year writing, literally has 12 people in it, so I have to go for. She doesn't take attendance, but I feel so bad if I don't go because she's like, my professor's the nicest person ever. Like, her fun fact on the first day of school was that she likes community gardening, and I personally feel like I will hurt her if I don't go and there's 12 people, so she like will know that I skipped her class. So I'm gonna go. Someone left a lot of chocolate in the room, so now we're eating it.
Wait, has everyone done it?
This is my 12th person in class.
You know the
Go!
Do it!
every time she gotta whip out the camera and then I'm just like, oh.
No. You're embarrassed.
Are you camera shy?
Now he's gonna
little
be
bit.
right
Aw.
No, go
Don't
to
see
Toby.
yourself?
Toby wants to.
You know that video where the guy's like, don't even say nothing to me, boy, you look like a motherfucking I turned that into a beat once.
Really? You could
Yeah.
be like,
And then he says he says
Gabby.
koala bear later on. He's like,
like a
motherfucking koala bear.
Koala
Koala bear, and then it was just like koala bear, koala bear.
Gabby at the club.
I want to hear it.
In my computer somewhere.
Good morning, Katie.
Good morning!
I just had my 8 a.m. and then I did my makeup and now I'm gonna go pick up my mail and then I'm gonna edit the beginning of this vlog because I genuinely have no idea how long it is and try to put that together. And then actually this afternoon, me, Grace, and Selma are gonna be filming like a Northeastern questions videos. But yeah, that is what we're doing today. We are inside Tate. I picked up my package. Fitbit sent me their new smartwatch. They like literally overnighted it, so we're gonna open it and do an unboxing. But this is Tate. It's the cafe.
It's the bougiest cafe on campus.
Yeah.
And we get oat milk lattes every time.
Tate lattes. Except today I got a cold brew.
What?
Yeah. Why?
because
I won't change it up. Like I really.
no, because yesterday after I had the latte, I like felt kind of sick because it was so much sugar. It was so sweet.
You got caramel.
Yeah, I get
just
caramel.
Get regular.
Okay, regular is just kind of gross. This looks not good. Oh, it's so fucking bright. Look how the sun hits though. We're light for life. That's us. So this is what it looks like. It's the light edition. Wait, I'm so excited. 24/7 heart rate tracking. Damn.
Oh my god, sleep tracking. Sleep tracking.
God, wait, it's so light.
I really like the white, like.
Damn. I used to have a Fitbit in like back in the day, like in 9th grade.
When it was just like this string.
Yeah. Thanks, Fitbit.
Wow.
I look like shit. Hi guys, so today's Friday and I'm really tired. I slept literally 4 hours last night and I could track it because I had my Fitbit. It's currently 10 a.m. I just got back from my 8 a.m.
I didn't find any appointments for today at 10 a.m.
So anyway, Lisa's on her way here. She's visiting Northeastern and she's gonna be staying with me, so I'm gonna be showing her around. So I don't know why I sound so fucking dumb right now. My video with Gracie and Sam was gonna go up later today. I think I'm gonna upload it at noon, so I'm really excited. But anyways, right now, the reason I wanted to do a vlog update was because Stephanie gave me my birthday present. So I just wanted to like open them on camera just because look at this card, okay? Like she literally drew this herself and I thought she bought it. It looks so fucking good. Oh my god, her handwriting is insane. Dude, what the fuck? This looks like a font. She's so cute. I love you. Okay, and then she also got me this, so this is like, I can already tell what it is. It's the Pressed Juicery Citrus Juice Gummy Bears. This is what they look like. This is so fucking cute. The bottle is so small. It's like a tiny, tiny pressed juice. Oh, and then she got me a little gift card to press. That is so on brand. And then last thing in here is a little scrunchie. This is so fucking cute. I'm gonna put this on. Okay, I think Lisa's almost here. And then there's this. Oh my god, it's a fucking Tate gift card. She said this was for my caramel iced oat milk latte. I think I'm gonna actually end this vlog here because I want to start a new vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you haven't already. And yeah, bye.